Namaste. I am Mrs. Hira Kelshikar from Pune. I have come here to Kaivalyadhama. For the last 12 years I have been coming to attend the Panchakarma sessions, and whenever Dr. Bhogal has a meditation session, I make it a point to attend. Attending Dr. Bhogal's session is like the cherry on the cake. It has been a wonderful week that we have spent with Dr. Bhogal. He makes us see ourselves in the mirror, and as it is said that you can tell lies to everyone, to the world, but you can't tell lies to yourself. So he brings out our true picture in front of the world. It has been such a wonderful week. We have come here, we have seen ourselves, we have cried, we have swayed, we have danced, and we have enjoyed ourselves. We are going back a much better person, and we will come back again to become even better. So it is such a pleasure coming here. Coming to Kaivalyadhama is like homecoming. We just love this place, and I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so thankful to Dr. Bhogal and his team for taking care of us, for taking us and for making us what we are. Thank you very much. Namaste.